Iron, please, guys. And stand back so you don't pick it up. Stand back, please. Stop, 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 stop!
If we're gonna throw him iron,
Bro, you...
press Control and Q to throw him all of it, don't just throw individually. I've got 12 gold there. There we go. Oh, I don't need any of it. And stone. Oh, I need more iron for the glass. Yeah, you're ahead. And they fell in the void. They scuffed.
Push them DQX and I'll die.
There is gold in the chest. 12 gold.
I'm on top of their base. No blocks or anything, I'm just here, I can stall. Because they probably will think that I have stuff, so they'll go up there. I'll make sure they know I'm here. Yeah, someone drop for ends. Maybe one person.
I guess I'll go for M's.
Do you have enough blocks?
Yeah, I have 64.
External, if you have a lot of spare blocks, you give me.
I've got 4 M's.
If not, it's fine. You just block trap yourself.
Right, I've got 4 M's.
Well, that didn't go well.
Who's taking the 4 M's?
Split, dude, split.
Who's taking the 4 M's?
Oh, we have 4 M's already?
Yeah,
I'll take it.
It's right there.
Yeah.
I just need pickaxe and axe.
Blood pressure, yeah, external.
Yep.
I should be able to get bed. I just need to wait for a little bit more materials. Because I don't have shear yet.
I only have 1 pickaxe.
Please hold, please hold.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do.
Yeah, I know. I'm just making sure. Okay, I'm going up.
Behind you. Finally.
Good job, guys.
What is this guy?
No, one
Oh my god,
passing.
the lag back. That guy actually lagged back. Oh my god, they're so trash! I hit in the defense!
Go back quickly, the people on it.
Okay, I'm voiding.
I'll just kill the ones here because I didn't.
Bro, I accidentally fell down and then I broke the plan.
All part of the plan.
I just got pinged. Wait, am I on -5 elo?
You gonna have negative elo?
No, it says
No, you
0
can't have
removed
negative.
-5.
Yeah, I know. It just stays at 0. There's 2 up there. You guys should be able to take it. I'm just gonna avoid these M's because I have nothing else. So I didn't even need to invis them. Good job.
No. The thing is, right, I accidentally fell down and they didn't even see, so I'm like, alright.
Yeah, like I said, these teams were scuffed. Did anyone get SS?
Huh?
Oh, no one got screenshot?
I screenshotted the end. And I've screenshotted. I've screenshot